Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise. If h equal cube root of 3 plus 2 square root 2 plus cube root of 3 minus 2 square root 2 and y equal the cube root of 17 plus 12 square root 2 plus cube root of 17 minus 12 square root 2. Find the values of x power 3 plus y power 3 and minus 3 and multiply x plus y. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. Okay, before to find the value of this, I tell you the truth that the exercise will use it. That we know if we have a plus b all power 3, is we can write it equal a power 3 and plus 3 a squared and multiply b and plus 3 a and multiply b squared and plus b power 3. And so this, we see this term, I can write it equal a power 3 and plus b power 3 and plus this, I take 3 a and b out of vectors. So we get 3ab and multiply this equal a and plus this b. Okay, now we use these formulas. So this we have x equal the cube root of 3 plus 2 square root 2 and plus cube root of 3 minus 2 square root 2. So now this arrange both sides of this equation to power 3. So we get a power 3 is equal to this, we get a power 3, so it's equals cube root of 3 plus 2 square root 2 all power 3. That will let is a and this is b and plus this cube root of 3 and minus 2 square root 2 all power 3 and plus 3 and multiply the cube root of 3 and minus plus 2 square root 2 and multiply the cube root of 3 and minus 2 and square root 2 and multiply this a plus b. Okay, a plus b we replace by 8. Okay, and so now this we get 8 and power 3 plus this we simplify with this radical, so it's equal, sorry, this equals 3 and plus 2 square root 2 and plus this we get 3 minus 2 and square root 2 and this we have the cube root. We can write is cube root of this 3 plus 2 square root 2 and multiply this 3 minus 2 square root 2 and multiply this 8. And this we can simplify it. And this we use the rules. If we have a plus b and multiply a minus b is equal this 3 and plus 3 we get 6 and plus 3 and multiply cube root of 3 square and minus 2 square root 2 all squares and multiply it. So this is equal 6 and plus the 3 and this we get cube root of 9 and minus this 2 squared we get 4 and multiply 2 we get 8 and multiply 8. And it's now it's equal 6 and plus this equal 1. So cube root of 1 is equal to 1. So 1 multiplies 3, we get 3 and 3. So now this 8 power 3 equals 6 plus 3x. So I can take it 8 power 3 and I change 3x to the left hand side. We get minus 3x is equal to 6. And then let it the first equation. And then y is equal cube root of 17 and plus 12 square 2 and plus the cube root of 17 minus 12 square 2. And so these are raised both sides of this equation to power 3. So I get y and power 3 is equal this, we get cube roots of 17 and plus 12 square 2 or power 3 and plus the cube roots of 17 and minus 12 square 2 all power 3 and plus 3 and multiply the cube root of 17 and plus 12 square 2 and multiply this cube root of 17 and minus 12 square 2 and this a plus b I replace it by y, so it's multiply y. So now y and power 3 is equal to, if we simplify it, we get 17 and plus 12 square 2 and plus this we simplify, we get 17 and minus 12 and 22 and plus this 3 cube root of this we get 17 squares and minus 12 square 2 all squares and multiply y. And this we can cancel this. Okay, so y power 3 is equal 34. Okay, 34 and plus the 3 cube root of this we get it's equal the 17 and multiply 17 is equal this 9 and 4 and 11 and 17 9 8 choose 289 and minus this 12 square we get 144 and multiply 2 we get 288. Okay, 288 and multiply y. And this 289 minus 288 is equal 1. So the cube root of 1 is equal 1. So now y and power 3 is equal 34 and plus 3y. So I change 3y from the right hand side to the left hand side. We get y and power 3 and minus 3y is equal 34. And I let it the second equation. So now this we adding both sides of this equation. Take 1 and plus 2. So it gets h and power 3 and minus 3. H and plus y and power 3 minus 3y equals 6 and plus 34. And so this we get it's equal h power 3 and plus y power 3 and this we take minus 3 out we get h and plus y and it's equal 40. So now thus 8 power 3 and plus y power 3 minus 8 3 multiply h plus y is equal 40 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, goodbye.